Welcome to Tech Beats. Today, we're exploring groundbreaking inventions that are poised to reshape our world. From robotic kiwi pickers to mind-blowing augmented reality, get ready to witness the future unfold. And don't miss a sneak peek of the Phaser 35 drone. It's gearing up for a year-long flight. Let's dive in. The CYBI prosthesis stands out for its versatility, especially since it's designed to accommodate children as young as 2. Notably lightweight, certain models weigh a mere 200 grams, equivalent to 3 ice cream cones. Unlike some counterparts, it eschews elaborate electronics, rendering it resilient even in downpours. With its touchscreen fingers, users effortlessly navigate smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets. Moreover, CYBI offers additional benefits by assisting in the exercise of forearm and hand muscles. An interchangeable module for jump rope workouts further enhances its utility. Each prosthesis undergoes meticulous customization to perfectly suit both the wearer's anatomy and personal preferences. You're given the freedom to choose the color of each component and even adorn CYBI with personalized drawings. Curious about the menu for the journey to Mars? According to the Eden ISS project, it's all about greens and vegetables. Within a compact space of just 13 square meters, participants managed to cultivate an impressive bounty. They harvested 29 kilograms of tomatoes, 51 kilograms of cucumbers, along with an array of greens, cabbage, radishes, and more. Surprisingly, all of this flourished within a special soilless greenhouse in Antarctica. The Eden ISS project employs aeroponics, a method that irrigates roots with a nutrient mix. LED lamps play a crucial role, ensuring plants thrive even during the polar night when temperatures plummet to -40 degrees Celsius. Remarkably, modern technology remains unfazed by such extreme conditions. The insights gleaned from Eden ISS aren't solely beneficial for space exploration, they could also serve as inspiration for constructing greenhouses in icy and sandy deserts right here on Earth. In an exciting development for residents of North Carolina, particularly in Texas, a new culinary delight awaits at their doorsteps. Thanks to Flytrex drones, food delivery is now a reality, promising a swift arrival in just 5 minutes. This innovative service, a first for suburban areas, covers a round-trip journey of approximately 8 kilometers. With these drones zipping at speeds up to 51 kilometers per hour, your piping hot coffee and unmelted ice cream are ensured. Remarkably, no pilots are needed. However, a vigilant team of operators closely oversees the flights as a precautionary measure. Currently, orders up to 2.5 kilograms are accommodated. Moreover, if lunch isn't on your agenda, worry not. Essentials like toilet paper and more can also be conveniently stocked up through this efficient system. Prepare yourself for something extraordinary. Honda has unveiled a groundbreaking augmented reality project at the South by Southwest Innovation Show. It's called the Honda XR Mobility Experience, a fusion of VR glasses with a unique Union chair. Simply lean in the direction you desire to go, and the Union will seamlessly transport you there with remarkable balance. It's agile enough for twists and pirouettes, with adjustable height for comfortable conversations. This innovative chair boasts a top speed of 6 kilometers per hour, running solely on electricity. With a full charge, it can cover an impressive 8 kilometers. Let's hope that app developers expand beyond standard races, creating captivating projects that entertain and educate alike. Now, let's journey to Texas and explore the remarkable feat achieved by ISEE. Through their diligent efforts, this distribution center, sprawling across approximately 160,000 square meters, has achieved a global milestone. It stands as the world's first facility equipped with an entire fleet of autonomous trucks. These trucks efficiently manage 750 trailer sites, employing advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to navigate in a manner that optimizes costs and bolsters safety. Significantly, the transportation and warehousing sector ranks at the top for employee injuries, as per the U.S. National Safety Council. With an anticipated shortage of 160,000 truck drivers in the United States by the decade's end, ISEE's innovative solution emerges as a crucial investment in shaping the future of logistics. Lenovo is starting the year with a bang, introducing a laptop featuring a revolutionary transparent display and foregoing the traditional physical keyboard. This groundbreaking innovation marks the industry's debut of the micro-LED concept. So, how does it function? The laptop boasts a spacious 17.3-inch frameless display, allowing users to adjust transparency levels up to 55%. In lieu of a physical keyboard, Lenovo provides a virtual one, embracing cutting-edge technology. Although the laptop's resolution stands at a modest 720p, the concept itself is undeniably intriguing. Picture this: a designer instantly visualizing how their creations seamlessly integrate into a room. Here's where it gets exciting. Lenovo harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and augmented reality algorithms to superimpose virtual elements onto real objects situated behind the laptop, such as placing a butterfly on a vase. If rumors hold true, these futuristic laptops might enter production in approximately 5 years, signaling a significant leap forward in technology and user experience. Ever come across the term finger exoskeleton? Sounds a bit peculiar, doesn't it? But did you know that repetitive button pressing, say on a machine tool, can strain your tendons? To avoid such issues, Digity GmbH presents ARTUS, a passive exoskeleton designed to prevent excessive bending of your fingers without impeding your natural movements. Thanks to Digiskin foam, your tactile sensitivity remains unaffected. And let's not overlook its durability. Each ARTUS weighs between 6 to 12 grams and can support a static load of up to 50 kilograms. In many rural areas of Germany, public transportation poses a significant challenge, with most residents reliant on cars. The few remaining buses often run nearly empty, rendering them ineffective and financially unsustainable. Recognizing this issue, the MONOCAB team has opted for a fresh approach to rail transportation. Given Germany's extensive railroad network, their solution involves deploying pods onto the rails. Each pod can accommodate up to 6 passengers, with an official app available for convenient booking. These compact pods can operate simultaneously in both directions on single-track lines and are operational throughout the year. Do you find this approach promising? You're familiar with the movie Limitless, right? In it, the protagonist consumes pills that turbocharge his brain, allowing him to function at 200% capacity. He effortlessly recalls books he's scarcely glanced at, gains people's trust effortlessly, and even foresees future events. But if such pills were to become a reality, they'd quickly become obsolete. Because Elon Musk's Neuralink is pioneering neurochips for the brain. Initially designed to aid in medical treatments, these neurochips hold the potential to unlock humanity's full cognitive prowess. So, what exactly can these chips accomplish? They can regulate hormones, transmit music at frequencies beyond human hearing, and facilitate communication akin to telepathy. Furthermore, data from the chip can be accessed via Bluetooth. Remarkably compact, the chip measures a mere 23 by 8 millimeters, with the implantation procedure potentially as straightforward as laser eye surgery. With Neuralink pushing the boundaries of neuroscience, the prospect of enhancing human cognition is on the horizon. In China, on February 27th, a cab soared from Shenzhen to Zhuhai in a mere 20 minutes, a journey typically lasting around 2.5 hours. The twist? This cab didn't adhere to the roads, it actually took to the skies. It feels like we're edging closer to the futuristic scenes depicted in movies like The Fifth Element. Perhaps, Searider jet skis could gradually replace the classic ones too. Not only are they electric vehicles, but they also boast intriguing hybrids. Searider has enhanced the steering for sharper control, akin to a motorcycle. Additionally, they've shed some weight, now tipping the scales at 65 kilograms. You can accelerate up to 77 kilometers per hour, and a full charge provides 50 minutes of riding time. Tap water often harbors more than 60 harmful substances, including lead and arsenic. However, relying on bottled water can strain your wallet, and less than 10% of plastic bottles are recycled. So, how do we ensure hydration without compromising our health and the environment? Enter Spout, a multifaceted solution to both dilemmas. This innovative device extracts up to 9.5 liters of water from the air daily, offering a sustainable alternative that's 50% cheaper than conventional delivery services. Not only that, but Spout water undergoes rigorous filtration, surpassing tap water's cleanliness by over twice the standard. With installation costs set at $600, pre-orders are now open with a $99 deposit. Spout presents a promising avenue towards affordable, clean water access while mitigating plastic waste and environmental impact. In India, they've engineered something even more impressive than Optimus Prime, a rickshaw that seamlessly transforms into a scooter. Interestingly, India has secured a position in the top 3 global car markets by the end of 2022, indicating a substantial demand for this innovation. Meet the Surge S32, an electric car equipped with dual power units. The rickshaw is available in various configurations, PV with passenger seats and LD with a cargo platform reminiscent of a pickup truck. The conversion into a scooter is effortless, requiring just 3 minutes and no tools. It boasts respectable speeds in both modes, reaching around 45 kilometers per hour for the rickshaw and 60 kilometers per hour for the scooter. However, here's the catch. The driver of the Surge S32 must possess a license for 2 categories simultaneously. Imagine a world dominated by Skynet, where we're constantly evading relentless robots like these. Consider if they could recall every stumble and shove from their creators. Perhaps they underestimated the repercussions of engineering these bots to be so lightning fast. They can dash at nearly 12 kilometers per hour. How long could you stay ahead of them? The creators assert it's a milestone amongst similar robots, with aspirations to ramp up to 18 kilometers per hour in the future. The robot goes by the name Unitree H1. The idea is for them to be versatile assistants both for carrying cargo in warehouses to busting out some fancy footwork. We're eagerly anticipating the unveiling of their latest iterations, brimming with equally jaw-dropping capabilities. In 2018, experts appraised the global kiwi market at a staggering $7.6 billion, surpassing the GDP of Liechtenstein for the same year. Engaging in quirky comparisons aside, it's clear that kiwis are a significant player in the business world. This robotic kiwi picker is causing quite a stir, equipped with an array of cameras and learning algorithms. With its precise calibration, this innovative machine can identify up to 90% of fruit accurately. What sets it apart is its delicate handling during picking, surpassing human capabilities. This is crucial since kiwis often grow in clusters, and rough picking can damage nearby berries. Remarkably, the robot can even contribute to pollinating the garden, showcasing its versatility beyond just harvesting. Last June, experts conducted successful tests of the Phaser 34 at an altitude surpassing 20 kilometers. This drone presents a budget-friendly substitute for satellites and operates solely on solar power. The touted advantage of the Phaser 35 is its ability to remain airborne for an entire year, boasting a payload capacity of 15 kilograms. From establishing 5G networks to monitoring forest fires, it's versatile in handling various tasks. Its remarkable 35-meter wingspan enhances its capabilities, while its top speed reaches around 145 kilometers per hour. Anticipate its arrival in the market in approximately 3 years, as it promises to revolutionize aerial technology.